वर्कआउट सेशन आई एम कम्प्लीटली हेल्थ फ्रीक. मैं जिस दिन वर्कआउट नहीं करती हूँ आई फील समथिंग इज मिसिंग इन माई डे. So yes, I would completely endorse on the fact that it's very important, not only physically but also mentally, that everyone should work out. It could be any form of workout. It could be a gym. It could be yoga. It could be Pilates. Anything. मैं basically सारा workout combine करती हूँ because I don't believe that your body should get used to any particular workout. So yes, this is one of the form of my workout, and I have a fabulous trainer in Gerald, whom I'll be introducing in some time. और मेरे लिए बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी रही है बिकॉज पोस्ट माई डिलीवरी आई हैड गेन अबाउट 36 किलोज. और उस वक्त मुझे ये लगा था कि इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लूज दिस काइंड ऑफ वेट. बट येस, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल एवरीवन दैट नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू हैव टू पुट इन द डेडिकेशन एंड हार्ड वर्क, and everything is possible and you can achieve whatever you want. कम से कम 1 घंटा दिन में 1 से 1.5 घंटा मैं इन्वेस्ट करती हूँ. 1 घंटा मैं वर्कआउट करती हूँ और आधा घंटा मैं योगा और मेडिटेशन करती हूँ. जी. मेरे ख्याल से सबसे बड़ी चीज़ तो ये है दैट यू हैव टू बी हैप्पी, यू हैव टू बी एट पीस मेंटली, and that is when आप concentrate कर पाते हो. And obviously food habits are the most important. They say everything starts with your stomach, whether it's a health issue or it's anything. So yes, eat healthy. Healthy doesn't mean that you give up on food and you just go on a diet. मैंने कभी diet नहीं किया है. I just like to eat good food and healthy food. जी. Yes, of course, I'm listening to a lot of scripts, but I'm just waiting for the right one to come across. And I'm open for everything. As an actor, I feel more difficult and more challenging a script is better for me. वो बहुत जल्द आपको पता चलेगा. It could be a movie also, it could be a web series also. जी जी. I'm completely in for it as a human and as a woman. I am in complete solidarity with the movement. मुझे लगता है कि it's very important that we hear what the victims have to say, and the sexual predator should be they should be gone through the legal justice. And I just hope and pray that all of this makes our workplace and our home place a safer environment for all of us. जी. No comments on that. Thank you. जी. दिवाली, I just completely, मुझे दिवाली बहुत पसंद है because there's a festive environment all across, everywhere. It's just beautiful, and everybody, that's what our culture is all about. Everybody loves going out and celebrating, and the beautiful lights and beautiful get-togethers and mithaiya. Oh my God, I love Indian sweets. So I think it's more of a celebratory mode which everybody gets into during Diwali. So it's a lovely festival. मैं सबको हैप्पी दिवाली कहना चाहूँगी. बी हैप्पी एंड हैव फन दिस दिवाली. थैंक यू.